Hello, I'm Wade from VagabondJourney.com. I'm riding a train in China from Taizhou to Yangzhou in Jiangsu province, and I'm going to give you a little tour of what it's like to ride a hard seat class on a Chinese train. These are the toilets. See, the bathroom. It's a squatter style toilet, but it's clean enough. And look at that, there's actually toilet paper. This is sinks to wash your hands in, fire extinguishers in case someone sets themselves on fire when they're smoking. There's actually soap too. That's pretty rare. And it's a mirror, make yourself all pretty before you arrive. And here is the main cabin. People just kind of lay out and relax on the trains. Look at it. Relax, play games, hang out with each other, laying around sleeping. Back at the other end of the car where there's hot water and some snacks in a basket, trash can, and a hot water spigot and another sink so you can get some drinking water. Overall, riding these Chinese trains riding these Chinese trains it's a pretty good experience. They're comfortable, they're clean enough, and they're pretty cheap. For about the ride from Taizhou to Yangzhou, I think it's about an hour, and it costs 16 kwai. It's about $2.50, a little over $2.50. So that's pretty good. Good service. Train leaves on time. They usually arrive on time. Comfortable ride at a good price. Can't complain. It's Wade Shep from VagabondJourney.com. Thanks for watching.